ऑलवेदर एसी लाया, इसमें है हाई टॉर्क कंप्रेसर, इंटेलिजेंट हीटिंग और एक्टिव डिह्यूमिडिफायर भी। Whatever the weather outside, you stay comfortable inside.
Oh brother, why do you frown? We were no different, so take a walk on the western shore. You find only dust and dawn. Right along on the dead road, look around. Oh brother, why do you frown? We were no different, so
come on, you fast bowler rascals, together.
Last period of the match, 60 to get the crowd is cheering for Miracle.
This is the leader style to bring a miracle. Let me remind it.
The Chevrolet Blockbuster Weekend. Book a Beat or a Spark and you could win a short gifts worth ₹2 crores or the car itself. Rush to your nearest showroom for the Chevrolet Blockbuster Weekend. 25th, 26th, 27th May only.
Welcome back. You're watching our investor camp from Srinagar, the beautiful capital of Kashmir. I'm standing in front of the Dal Lake with the investor camp audience around me, and you've been hearing Ramesh Damani and SP Tulsian talking about how investors should approach the market in such difficult and trying circumstances. This part of our camp is technical. Sudarshan Sukhani is now going to tell you how you should be approaching the market given that the Nifty is showing signs of breaking down again.
Sudarshan, first up, Ramesh had a Kashmiri quote. Any Hindi quote that you would like to tell the audience about?
Oh yeah, I should. And I was thinking about it, so thanks for giving me that. You know, this is for viewers who are listening, and there is this saying which I am saying in English, that it's said about Kashmir, that if there is a heaven on earth, I think the word is paradise. If there is a paradise on earth, this is it, this is it, this is it. So I can assure you today, dear viewers, that this is absolutely true.
It hasn't been paradise for the market though, I don't think, for anyone who's been investing for the last couple of years. How's it looking?
See, markets are now going through a dull season. We all understand that. Uska koi upay nahi hai. This is cyclical. We went through a big rally. From 2200 in the Nifty, we went to 6300. Nobody complained. In 1 year, the market increased 3 times. Very abnormal movement for the market, but we were very happy because when the markets go up now, most people make money. So that's fine. But we must also think this is also not normal. So markets are now going through a natural process of taking rest. हम और आप उसको जबरदस्ती बढ़ा नहीं सकते. It's a natural process. After going through this runaway race, markets are resting. Whatever time they take, they will take. But when this decline ends, when this is over, I am quite confident we will see another bull market come about.
As you said, it's always a tricky call about picking the right stock and where it may end up, 10 years from now. At this point, any 5 or 6 interesting ideas that you can spot where there's no 100% guarantee of anything in life, but something that is giving you that kind of indication?
What is the safest, best, most appropriate sector in India to invest in, to trade in, and that is banking. If India is a growth story, banks will prosper. Our banks are well managed, they are broadly, decently structured. There are minus points here and there, that's nothing, we are not worried about that. Every time you see a big correction, and if you put a little bit of your money in any of your favorite banks, stay with the 4, 5, 6 large banks, ICICI Bank, Axis, State Bank of India, and Bank of Baroda. These 4 are enough, although it will make very little difference where you spread. Yes Bank, maybe these 5. And every time you see a big corrections in the market, always buy on deep corrections. And you put some investments in the bank, you will do far better than most mutual funds.
The focus of conversation in technology is Infosys, Sudarshan, but the real performance has come on stocks outside of that. TCS, of course, but even the smaller faces, a Hexaware or something else. Anything in technology that you would buy and be confident of performance on?
Yes, the names that Vitali just said, and the reason why I am very upbeat on technology is not because of Infosys coming down, it's because of TCS going up. Here is the benchmark of all the technology stocks telling us in terms of share prices, not in terms of results. The share prices are telling us that they are holding, they are not coming down. So if you are looking for an investing idea, if you are looking for a trading idea, Hexaware and now Polaris and TCS, all three of them deserve attention. I have to repeatedly say you should be trading in them and buy them when the markets are in deep corrections. These are usually ideas that should not go wrong. Even if the market, if the stock price falls 5 or 10% after you buy, you shouldn't worry about it. The chances are you'll still get a lot of money.
Okay, let's open it up for questions. Just one request, because there are so many of you and so many questions. Please try and limit it to one key question each.
This is Irfan here. My question here is that, what makes you think that we have already seen the base? The market has already gone down and it will go up in next 2-3 years or something. My question is, we have seen the subprime losses which triggered all this. We have seen the Eurozone crisis. We know the Obama factor, which we didn't help our IT industry as well. So, can you just convince me, why this market will go up in next few years? We all know that Congress is not very, market friendly. I don't see BJP coming back, or, the only other possibility is a third front or something. Even that is a socialist, backed bloc. So, can you just give me an answer for this?
Yeah, Irfan, what happened now, even I was thinking the way you are saying.
Okay.
But yesterday I came to Srinagar and I became an optimist.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I might sound pessimistic, but that is the general mood, you can't help it.
See, markets move in cycles. On a more serious note, markets, we are now going in a downtrending flat cycle. This cycle will turn up no matter what happens. Whether politics becomes a bigger mess, whether Eurozone goes into a bigger crisis, doesn't matter. When this market gets, all the selling gets exhausted in this market, then the market will go up. When we were in a bull market, a lot of bad news used to come. That bad news was discounted in 2 hours, not even days. It used to take 2 hours for the market to say, okay, let's forget we had that Mumbai Mumbai attacks, and we were in a bull market then. Market took 2 days to forget about it and said, let's go back. Let's keep on going up. So this is a cycle. I explained to you about seasons. Market has seasons. We are not in the bull market season, but we are entering it now. Whether it takes one year, 6 months or 2 years, only market will decide. But I think we are at the point of entering it.
Okay, warm round of applause for our guests today, for Sudarshan, Ramesh Tamani, SP Tulsian.
This is the first event I have seen from the last. I have been in equity market since 2006, and this is the first event at this level which any corporate sector or like CNBC TV18 has organized in Srinagar. I have never seen a program like this. This is the best opportunity for the investors here, that they have seen that people like corporate sectors are interested in Srinagar also.
It was very good. I learned a lot from this program. I come to know where I have to invest in future, and it has helped me a lot.
I think it's a wonderful program, especially for a place like Kashmir, where not many such programs have been done previously, and it is good, especially for beginners like me I don't know much about stock markets, but as such I'm getting a know-how and a feel of the things. That way I think it's a wonderful start.
Yeah, it was a good program, and it is a good try just to attract more investors from Kashmir and just create awareness about investment and all those things. I think I haven't heard of programs like this being done in Kashmir before. It's a good try.
This program was very good. TV18 CNBC has done a good initiative by giving us an opportunity to meet some of the best persons who are dealing with investments, and I think this initiative should help us, as I am also a Kashmiri. So for every Kashmiri, this program was very good, and this should continue, because I want that this program should not stop it here. It was an eye-opener for us.
And that's it from this very, very special investor camp. It certainly was the prettiest place that we've ever come to for an investor camp, and we certainly hope that we can go to equally picturesque places in future to talk to investors. I hope you enjoyed it. We certainly enjoyed our trip to Srinagar. See you soon from another investor camp destination.
Partner Exchange, BSE Investor Protection Fund. Print partner, State Times.
If you could step in